So namaste. This is conclusion of Thank You Universe. Take yourself. I have given 30 days. The everyday's workout. Don't leave anything. Take yourself 30 days challenge. Whatever the age you are, wherever you are, which position you are, and which year you are, nothing to worry. 30 days in life. Take a challenge yourself. The everyday I have given one topic. Take 30 days challenge for your whole life, for healing yourself mentally, physically, financially, for getting success. Success is a journey, not destination. Success is a journey, so it's an everyday journey. Take this 30 days challenge yourself, work out, and see the change of your life. The success journey, like I told, success is a journey. The journey, definitely this 30 days will take you the track of your own success. Thank you very much.